Hi, good morning and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to share data through Julie. So in this particular case I'm imagining that you're a FoodSense Generation 4 user and that you've been gathering some data on the FoodSense Generation 4 and now you want to actually share some data with us. So first of all I'm going to go through a very quick demo just to kind of, so the preceding this, so let's say of the sharing of the data, you've taken a FoodSense Generation 4 sensor. You've taken 50 microliters of the sample, which I'm doing now. You've put it onto the sensor. I should have done something a little bit before, but I'm going to go to my test settings. I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call it test 25. And I'm good to go. Right. So I've done all that just to kind of show you the kind of proceeding. So this is the kind of, running out on your smartphone bit. Now, obviously in less than 30 seconds, the data's actually going to go to the cloud, at which point then I'm going to show you how to share that data either with your colleagues or with Zimmer and Peacock, because I think part of the, let's say, product offering from Zimmer and Peacock is both the technology, but of course also the kind of, the long experience that we've had doing this kind of thing. So in fact I just tested Tabasco and I did a 1 in 10 dilution. It's come back at 3,000. I'll just show you now actually. It's just come back at 3,366 Scoville heat units. Great. Now I want to show you my screen. So the first, what I'll do now is I'll go to my screen. Right, the first thing is I called that cluster demo. And what you can do then, this is what I want you to do at this point. Click that and then you can share it. And I will give you probably my email and you will paste it in there. So that is how you share it. And then when you've shared it then, I will be able to go in there and see, and there we are. That's just the test I just did then. So I'll go back slightly. So I go to navigation. I'll just go. Whoops, a daisy. So there's my cluster. That's the one I want to share. Share it like that. Share cluster. And put in the email there, and then Zimmer and Peacock, for example, if you put my email in there, which I'll give you, then you'll be able to essentially share it with me. So you can see your data belongs to you, but you can invite ZP to view it as well. Okay, I hope that was informative, and I look forward to looking at your data soon. Okay, thanks very much.